Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you exactly how to download your Google Sheets to your desktop as an Excel file so you can work offline whenever you want. By the end of this tutorial, you'll have your spreadsheets saved safely to your computer plus a handy shortcut for instant access. Whether you need to avoid internet issues, share your files more easily, or just prefer working in Microsoft Excel, I'll walk you through every step. Let's jump right in. First, make sure you have your Google Sheet open in your browser. Up at the very top left corner of your screen, there's a menu that says File. Go ahead and click on that. The File menu is your main hub for all document actions, kind of like the control panel of a car. It's where you'll find options for saving, sharing, and managing your sheet. Once you've clicked File, look down the list for the Download option. This is what lets you take your cloud-stored Google Sheet and turn it into a file you can keep on your computer. When you hover over or click on Download, you'll see a few different choices pop up. If you want to use your document in Microsoft Excel, make sure to pick Microsoft Excel XLSX. This will save your sheet in a format that works seamlessly with Excel, preserving your formulas and formatting as closely as possible. Alternatively, you might see an option for CSV comma-separated values. That one is great if you're wanting to export just the raw data for use in other programs, but for most people, Microsoft Excel is the way to go. Now, after you click on your preferred format, your browser will usually prompt you to save the file to your computer. You can choose where to save it, maybe your desktop for easy access or into a specific folder with your other projects. Take a moment here, make sure you remember where you saved the file so you're not hunting for it later. Once it's downloaded, you can double-click that file to open it up in Excel even if you're not connected to the internet. If you find yourself wanting even faster access, let's create a shortcut. Open your Google Sheet again in your browser and look to the very top right corner. You'll notice three little vertical dots, that's the More menu. Go ahead and click on those dots. From the drop-down, scroll down until you see Cast, Save, and Share. This section gives you some cool options to make your workflow smoother. Here you'll find an option to create a shortcut. Clicking this will let you add a direct link to your desktop or applications menu. It's a lot like putting a bookmark page right in your workspace so you can open your Google Sheet with just one click. When prompted, type in a shortcut name, maybe something like Budget Sheet or Sales Tracker, whatever makes it easy to recognize. And that's it, you now have a shortcut on your desktop for instant access. So to recap, you've learned how to download your Google Sheet as an Excel file, save it to your computer, and even create a quick access shortcut to keep things simple and organized. If you ran into any hiccups, don't worry, it might take a few tries the first time, but it gets easier every time you do it. If you found this walkthrough helpful, please hit that like button and let me know in the comments if you have any questions or ideas for future tutorials. And of course, don't forget to subscribe for more step-by-step guides to make your workflow smarter and smoother. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.